Netgear Orbi RBS50v2 Satellite. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure you have a Netgear Orbi Router, RBR50 or compatible model, as the RBS50v2 is only a satellite. Step 2. Choose a location. Place the satellite between your router and the area needing better Wi-Fi coverage for the best signal. Step 3. Power on the satellite. Plug in the RBS50v2 satellite, turn it on, and wait for the LED to light up. Step 4. Observe the LED light. The LED ring will turn white, then magenta, indicating it is searching for the router. Step 5. Press sync on the router. Press the sync button on your Orbi router to initiate the connection. Step 6. Press sync on the satellite. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the Orbi satellite to pair it with the router. Step 7. Check the LED status. After syncing, the LED will change color. Blue equals strong connection, white heavy check mark, amber equals fair connection warning, magenta equals no connection cross mark. Move closer to the router. Step 8. Manual setup. If needed, if syncing fails, connect a device to the Orbi network. Go to http://orbilogin.com, log in, and follow the Add Satellite instructions. Step 9. Update firmware. Visit the Orbi app or web UI, navigate to Settings, Firmware Update, and install any updates for better performance. Step 10. Test optimize. Check your Wi-Fi coverage using the Orbi app.